I think, so many minimum. Okay. Change. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our going to be the pre-bidding conference of 10 of our civil works projects. Before we proceed, I would like to request everyone to please rise for a prayer led to us by let us pray. Consider the spirit of the saints of God, and the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, once again, we thank you for this opportunity to be our candidate, pre-bidding with our civil works project. May us again your lessons and divine guidance so that when we are going here, this our independence, your will, and also within the bounds of our government procurement. News also our Lord Jesus Christ, who lives and reigns with you in the earth, and the root of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Amen. Father, and Son, and Spirit. Thank you very much. Trusting Ms. Aguilar for the role and acknowledge the presence of each and everyone who's in this room. Thanks for today's briefing conference, Back Chairman Engineer Miguel Agsa, Vice Back Chairman Engineer Elder Lumbia, regular members Engineer Jose Marcos Estabanay and CAE Nagitungit, Provisional Member Engineer Rowan Condesa, Procurement Head Engineer Jennifer Inbanaan, Back Secretary members Engineer Aida Marinigo Pigidoy, Mr. Efren Paderas, Engineer Stevie, Head PWG Engineer Leon Chidor Iboyanida, members Engineer Lourdes Anola, Architect Franzin Z. Valdez, and Mr. Marvin Julius G. Vidal. Programmers in Architect Malo Formanis and Engineer Grace D. Julian, Engineer Kenneth Tejero, and leaders from Villas Construction Engineer Merchandise, Mr. Carl Mark Del Puerto, and from LG Bulua, Mr. Michael G. Foro. That's all. Thank you, Ben. For this afternoon, we have 10 projects we discussed to us by our planning engineers. One is construction of multipurpose building, phase 1 in Barangay Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. Then construction of multipurpose building in Barangay Mambuaya, Cagayan de Oro City. We have construction of drainage in Barangay Bulua, Cagayan de Oro City. Fourth, we have construction of multipurpose buildings in Barangay Pigsag-an, Cagayan de Oro City. Fifth, construction of multipurpose building in Villa Amila, Barangay Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. Then we have construction of multipurpose building at Barangay Mambuaya, phase 1, Cagayan de Oro City. We also have completion of multi-purpose building in Barangay Bonbon, Cagayan de Oro City. Then we have construction of multi-purpose building at Barangay Iponan, phase 1, Cagayan de Oro City. Then number 9 is construction of multi-purpose building at Barangay Bulua. Then the last one is the construction of water system in Barangay Balulang. Let us move on. Let us now hear from the first presenter. Let us welcome Architect Balulang. Good afternoon, our prospective leaders, observers, and our visitors. Today, we will be discussing the contract ID 24KH0063 entitled Construction of Multipurpose Building, Phase 1 in Barangay Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. This is specifically located at Lumbia National High School, Barangay Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. And the appropriation for this project is 5 million. For the ABC, 4,950,000 pesos. For our recap, this project is entitled Construction of Multipurpose Building, Phase 1 in Barangay, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. Appropriation is 5 million. For our ABC, 4,950,000. The calendar days is 120. Major category, BICWOELC, buildings, construction without piles, low-rise, complete frame. For similar major categories, PICWOPHC, buildings, construction without piles, high-rise, complete frame. Scope of work is construction of multipurpose building as per plan. This includes construction of basketball court slab 15-meter by 28-meter with lightings, and construction of volleyball court slab 9-meter by 18-meter, construction of sepak takraw court 6.5 meters by 13.5 meters, and the demolition or transfer of the High Heart Lumbia High concrete standing, be coordinated by the end user. This is the perspective of the project. Showing you the top view. This is the location located inside the Lumbia National High School. This is the plan with site development. So the existing standee is located here. This will be removed and relocated somewhere. So this is the volleyball court, 9-meter by 16-meter, the sepak takraw, and the basketball court. As for the end user, they requested the development also of the site with inclusion of landscape, grass, and installation of concrete paver blocks. And there will be also solar lighting, 14 sets of solar lighting. So these are the details. These are the details of the pedestal and lighting.
for the complete pedestal details and the gusset plate details. So these are the site photos. As you can see, this is the standee to be relocated. And this is the area. So they have already existing ring. It will also be um, relocated somewhere after the project is. For the minimum equipment requirement, state cargo truck, one lease, backhoe, one lease, dump truck, one lease, plate compactor, one lease, boom truck, one lease, one bagger mixer, two owned, welding machine, two owned, bar bender, one owned, bar cutter, one owned, cutting outfit, one owned, minor tools, one owned, material testing apparatus, one set owned. For the summary of quantities, we have permits and clearances, one lump sum. Project billboard, signboard, one each. Occupational safety and health, one lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, one lump sum. For earthworks, we have removal of structure and obstructions, one lump sum. Structure excavation, common soil, 74.09 cubic meter. These are for the pedestal of the solar lightings. Then embankment from Barrow, also from the for the solar lighting. Granular coarse material, 2.02 cubic meter. Gravel fill for light pole foundation, 80.80 cubic meter. Soft skate grass, 384.65 square meters. Gravel fill, 69.69 cubic meters. This is for the concrete slab of the parts. And then paper blocks, 771 square meters. For plain and reinforced concrete work, reinforcing steel grade 40, this is for the foundation and pedestal of the lighting, 874.28 kilograms. Structural concrete, 27.58 megapascal, class A, 28 days. Also for the lighting, 9.45 kilograms. Forms and false works, also for the pedestal, one lump sum. Structural complete, class B, 28 days for the slab, 82.57 cubic meters. Reinforcing steel, deformed grade 14 for the concrete slab on fill, 2,066.56 kilograms. For finishings and other civil works, cement plaster finish for the pedestal, 168.80 square meters. Painting works, masonry with concrete, for pedestal, 82.80 square meters. And painting works for steel, 558 square meters. And for the electrical works, we have the lighting, item 62413, one lump sum. So as per the permits and clearances, this includes the building permit, demolition permit, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, electronic fees, and the Bureau of Fire, whichever this project applies. So this is the permit and clearances, contractor's tax. This is in accordance with this CDOC ordinance number 20860 2014, graduated tax on business. So on contractors and other independent contractors, in accordance with the following, in excess of 2 million, fixed rate of 75% of 1% of contract price. Moving on for the item 62413 lighting system for the lump sum. This includes this specification and Inclusion 200 watts, weatherproof, slim, flat light, 2 sets. So this is 14 sets and all 14 poles. LED lamp, LED IP65, LED 18,000 to 20,000 lumens, 220 volts to 240 volts per 50 to 60 hertz. Color temperature range K, 6,000 K. Material aluminum, material size 450.2 by 320.2 by 61 mm. Warranty is 3 years minimum. And for the 8-meter round tapered pole, double arming hot dip galvanized steel, 115 mm upper diameter by 205 mm lower diameter, 350 mm by 350 mm by 20 mm. Freight and handling cost supplies cents. So any further questions about this item, you can reach our electrical engineer in this office. And thank you. Any questions, clarifications from the viewers and observers? Any questions for Lumbia? None so far. So I guess it's done with Lumbia already. Thank you very much. I'll take my room. Thank you. In consideration sa ating visitors this afternoon, Barangay Bulua, for joining us. So I think we will proceed to the discussion of the projects in Bulua. We have two. It's the MPB and the other one is let us now hear from Engineer Kenneth Tejero. Good afternoon. To everyone again. Introducing project construction of drainages in Barangay Bulua, Cagayan de Oro City with an appropriation of 15 million, having an EBC of 14,700,000. Total project duration is 140 calendar days. So the location is inside the Villa Candida. So as per legend, so the white line, the main channel is RCBC. Then the red line, combination of line canal and RCPC. So this is the typical details. RCPC, manhole. So for the line canal, we have 10-meter thick cement and 2-meter removable. Summary of quantities. 8.1.18 provision of field office for the engineer, 5.20. 5.33 months, 3.5 project labor design board, 2 each, 3.7, 2 occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum, 3.81 traffic management, 5.33 months, 3.9 mobilization, 1 lump sum, 1016 removal of actual structure on obstruction concrete, 29.40 cubic meter, 102 surplus common excavation, 75.85 cubic meter, 103.18 structure excavation, common soil, 1,437.36 cubic meter, 103.3 foundation field, 65.79 cubic meter, 104.2A embankment from Barrow, common soil, 444.08 cubic meter,
Aggregate sub-base course 29.40 cubic meter. 3111 C1 Portland Cement Concrete Pavement and Reinforced 147 square meter. 4041A reinforcing steel grade 48,453.96 kilograms. 405183 structural concrete 20.68 megapascal plus 88 days 361.60 cubic meter. 4078 in concrete plus B 16.5 megapascal 49.72 cubic meter. 501 B5 pipe culverts 1,220 millimeter diameter class 4 RCPC, 98 linear meter, 5026 metal frames and covers, 24 floors, 5031 metal frames and gratings, 24 set. For the minimum equipment requirement for this project, we have trailer for equipment, 1 list, backhoe with pavement breaker, 1 list, grinding machine and accessories, 1 own, complete vibrator, 1 own, bar cutter, single phase, 1 own, bar bender, 1 own, 1 bagger mixer, 1 own, plate compactor, 1 own, vibratory ruler, 1 own, motorized road grader, 1 list, dump truck, 2 list, backhoe, 1 list, water truck, 1 list, laboratory testing apparatus, 1 own, cargo or service stock, 1 list, 40-footer container van, 1 list, two-way radio, 2 list, barricade flashlight, 11 list, welding machine, 1 list, cutting outfit, 1 own, reducer, 1 list, payloader, 1 list, backhoe, 1 list. For the provision of the office for the engineer, we have 40-footer container van with ECU. Furnished and included 3 chair and 1 table or equivalent. So that's all for Bulua under CPAG program. So questions from
Nga po, Madam Chair,
Yes, Councilor.
nga po sa
Go ahead with your question.
DPWH, tanan mga members, observers, mga po. Ako na si Michael Coro, ang Barangay Administrator sa Barangay sa Bulua. Kanang engineer, naigihangyo si Kapitan nga Papa. Kani Kapitan Kagawa na to karon. Papa ng Kapitan na to karon sa Bulua. Siya ang chairman sa komitiba sa infra sa barangay. Kuan ko na siya engineer kaning ini nga project worth 15 million sa bilya kandida. Nagangyo ang barangay council nga dili diha ibutang o kay sa tinuod lang gisurvey na ni siya sa last week. Naghimo barangay resolution ang council o niya dito na mo gi-address sa Mayor Clark sa city kay gamay ra ang budget sa 15 million, dili enough nga ma-rehabilitate ng kuan dia pang drainage system dia. Apil man gud ang rutong kerting ani, dili enough ang 15 million gitan-aw nila. So politically, isno kang tag-politika, nagpasilong naman karon ang mga Legazpi sa Clarix. So gitagaan sila og ako nga project. So kanang bilya kandida. Gisalo na sa city. Gisurvey na nila ilang inspection. Although wala pa survey, initial inspection lang. Uban sa taga-planning nila sa ining city engineer's office. Kung pwede ba daw nga Ma-divert pero drainage yapon ang kuan ang project kay ni-approve man sa city o ipa-priority gani muna'y nahitabo so nagangyo lang si kapitan kung pwede ba nga mo hindi ka kuan na siya ma-divert dito sa lain pero nagyapon ka sa suna kada suna na mo naya mo mga problema gyapon ng mga relation labi na kanang taas kayo connecting from kaning old national highway going to diversion road katong sa coastal kana siya nga kuan dia kanal wala gina siya kuan dia walay kanal ang naay existing kanal pero dili siya yung nga kanang murag i-rehab pa siya ba i-rehab lang nato naay kanal pero nang yuta lang ba dili bitaw walay concrete murag ginana siya pero naay siya yung waterway pero walay dili ko kanang murag man-made kanal lang bitaw madam sir ang nahitabo diha sa kuan man nga suna zone 5 going to zone 8 bye kana siya nga kuan kung pwede diha daw mabutang kani siya nga project kaya kanang si kandida kuan na siya madam sir sa city Magisano lang
So, with regards to that, we are already in the pre-bid conference. So, the next will be the bidding procurement. All efforts like starts planning. So there was already a coordination long time back before ninakuan. So, we are more than halfway na sa procurement period. So regarding anong imong request or opinion may be expressed karon, I would like to give the microphone now to the planning unit. So if you have if they want to say something, please.
Maghapon. Ako lang ikasulti. Ini yung ta nga project. Magdiding na magbuta. Magdiding na ta. Naanat ta sa sobra sa katunga sa preparasyon. Yan namin schedule na diapas. Karon no, atong usabon, mubalik na sa ta sa sinundanan. Unya, kami mo maalanganin sa among schedule. Manang lisod kayo nga matabutan na inyong amyo. Sumpayan na lang ninyo ng among trabaho diya. Kaysa kuan. Kaysa ibang linsya. Hindi na kundi. Kung porsigido din sila, si kapitan o si kagawad, may mga lang siya sulat, hindi ka bilhin. Formal lang nato eh. Pero sultihan ka mo nga katunga namin. Anong ko tayo ipot na to pa? Apoy na ka. Hindi at ulang kaliton na upuan ng kaliton ng balhin. Hindi mo ginana ka sa iyo. Kung may bawaan pa lang ninyo ang trabaho ng hindi mo, unang medyo masakitan sa hindi ba? Wala lugar ni katungod na reklamo. E trabaho naman ni ato. Hindi mo nagpadayag ng sa debate na mo. Sa klaro lang na istorya. Kung pwede mapasabot na mo si kagawad, na iunanin na nakwato. Pagsugod naman kita diya, naman kay sa city. Sila na lang tungagan sa city. Ayun, hindi kay paruso na naman project ibalik. E di sa yun. Ana na lang, i-improve lang. Naano man may nakasungkot naman may sumpayan din nila. Kung i-improve nila, hindi kay ibalik na naman project. Hindi sa yun. Hindi sa yun. Makita lang yung mga import kung naalat ka sa mo. Naalat sa akong lingkuranan. Kita ni mo ang kaargo, ang trabaho. Yan, nakulaw lang. Yung naalat lang, kilat lang. At ang ibalhin, hindi sa yun. Kung naalat ta sa, ang saan naroon mula na? Pebrero. Supposed to be, Enero, nagbibig namin. Kumplito na ang tabi sa among bibig. Kung mula sa punto sa schedule at tandang Marso, kami may palitan, kami may pinaltihan sa regional office. Demobihan na ta sa atong schedule sa bidding. Supposed to be ang meeting na mo end na tanan karong Pebrero. Ina karon kung ato mo sa doon, wala basta. Pabuntag Marso. Muna siya akong padayag. Inapon ta nga masabta na mo sir. Kaya sa'yo naman na siya, kung naanap ay project niya, sumpayan lang na sa syudad, i-improve lang nila o tumagan lang nila, ala. Ayun na ninyo ibalin ng tao, paluin tao ko.
Ah, sige, Engineer Joe, ako nang ipaabot sa kang kagawad. Pero, Engineer, ang hangyo manggod sa council nga magbutang dia asa tungkol sa lagi Engineer katong location mo kita.
Balik,
Katong main entrance yun sa agad to. Highway. Kana diha unta Engineer. Magbutang ang gusto magud sa mga katawan as kandida o sa Barangay Bulua mo butang mo taw dako nga catch basin kana diha ba. Kana gi sa entrance kay diha gi kapurgo ang tubig diha di gi nakasulpa diha. Butang og catch basin diha nga dako kayo nga bangag. Butangan dai kuno build o pwede lang ha, pwede lang sa inyo nga side. Kay kami ako igor ko ga presidente sa kuan kay mo gina na kami magud ang nagtan-aw sa mga problema diha sa Bilya Kandida. Magbutang di og catch basin da sa entrance nga magbutang dahil kanang guard house mo na siya kanang magbutang dahil kuno og built-in nga kana bang dako siya nga water pump kay ang level mo gud sa tubig o kanang kanal diha sa atong highway ubos ang sa Kandida. Ang atong sa highway ibabaw ang kuan ug ato inspeksyonon kanang diha sa side sa kanang old national highway going to Iponan River. Ubos ang Kandida gid. So dili ka kuha ng tubig sa padulong sa main canal da sa kilid sa highway. So magbutang di og dako nga kuha kanibang catch basin butangan na water pump nga built-in na nga dako nga water pump para kamulungan magulang gali automatic mo andar ang kuan ang water pump padulong to sa kanal diha sa kilid nga dako diha sa Old National Highway. Muna gusto sa mga tao diha o sa barangay council. Kanang pwede lang kay na naman yung plano. Mumunti ako giingon sa katong surbitin munta. May nana ang mabuhat.
Halo. Kana nakita na namo na nga problema. Kay balo na may habog na siya. Mao na nga kanang among kanal ang iyang output ana but pasabot ang iyang gawasanan sa tubig. Nangita mi og gawasanan sa tubig dili dapat sa bos. Dako man kay nga problema unya. Nako ang kinahanglan nga kwarta katong mong gingon nga pa okay lang na siya kung naigo ang kwarta diha. Karon ang gibuhat namo ato lang sa din pagitaag paaging kining tubig nga makuan nga dili dapat sa ubos magawas gid nato. Secondary na rin na sa sunod na release, secondary na rin nato nang sumpayan nato pa yung sakit kay dako kayo na imposibligan television para ko na sa kuan nga di man nato mapasulida ng tubig niya. So kita naman given naman na siya kita naman na muna nga habog na sa diya napangita mi paagi unsaon mo na siya ang klaro nga istorya namo lang. Mo nang naingon ani ang hitabo nga diri ra dapit sa ubos kay ang kwarta amo lang gipasibuan nga karang tubig nga magpundo di pohon dili na makapundo gid sa lalan kay nadakop na sa kanal karon ang tumoy iadto sa panday outfall ipakita to nga hanap ito atong propose na outfall. Nasumpay na sa Kim?
Kuan sir, karon kay kani ako mo kung panani sir ipag-validate na ako karon. Kaning main highway nato is ang yang invert ani is ang difference lang dayon gikan sa kaning dalan gid sulod sa
Kandida.
Kandida is 1 point 85 meters lang ang iyang difference.
Karon.
So karon ako na lang gikuan kay apan inspection magud ani kani dining sugod sa bilya kandida close magud siya wala siya katapan din ang utana gud ko sa mga residente dani na kani diri dapit na portion kaning likod na higher na iyang elevation.
Dili portion naman na.
Oh. So dili siya pwede mabali na to ang ihang invert ani. So ang ako na lang gikuanan motong gahapon di pa survey na ko sa sa mga survey kaning main highway nara siya difference nga 0.85. So ako na lang buhatan ani is lapadan gamay ang kanal nga ang outfall nato is ang main highway gyapon sir.
Unsa man yung pag-solve sa invert niya na maka-flow ang tubig?
Once naman tayo difference nga 0.85 meters. So kana akong i-utilize.
Kasi 0.85 sa sulod ka lang tuloy anang.
Highway nga invert tapos ang top elevation dahil sa dalan din sa Bilya Candida.
Anong dalan nga kang sakit dapit.
Ay dili kaning sa ubos gid mismo sir.
Ama dapit ta i-point kaya makita nila dapit.
Kani din sir.
Specific ta.
Kani din.
Buto sa bot pila ka metros gikan sa gid.
Gikan sa sir 0.85 bilang difference. So kaya na siya labayan.
Dili akong pasabot ang 0.85 na location sa invert sa atong propose nga kanal pila ka meters gikan sa sinugdanan sa imong gi-propose. Ila. Klaro-klaro ta ba?
Sir?
Malagdagan ang tanan.
Siguro. So mga
15 meters.
yes sir.
Karon, asa man ang ruta sa kanal nga gi-propose nimo aron malabayan nato.
So mani ang pandin sir. Ang iya yung
Ang ruta niya
kaning white. So kani magong pandaron ang iyang dalan karon din sa kandida is level lang. So pwede nga ang kaning white karon mani mahimong main channel. Ang flow din ani padulong sa highway.
lagi. What a question na. Pero pag pagawas sumpay sa imong last nga
Yes sir.
Lumbia paing mo dito sa highway.
Yes,
Amo
sir.
ka makagi.
Kanang
Kanang ito?
black, yes sir.
Yawa mga balay mo na.
Ay ko na sir kanang dili ni siya kanang yung iyang kaning exaggerate lang yung pagkabutang sir pero nakaliko ni siya nga walay kanang sa dalan din mismo. Walay obstruction.
Wala obstruction sir
Yes sir.
ka.
Yes sir.
O di mo ba sa
Ano na may system dyan?
Yes sir.
Naka-flow naman ang system dyan.
Yes sir.
mura ra ka og mag-junction ana dito sa existing.
Yes sir. Connect lang ito sir.
Oo, ano ma, kuan.
System na alaw sa National Highway.
Katong existing yun.
Sa ilahang dalan.
Ay,
O, naman duha na dyan. Ay ato, napon sa system.
yes sir.
Doon na.
Mas paspas ang flow.
Pwede na atong utilize tong mga funds sir.
Ako proposal lang na sa una man doon actually. Ang binha, hindi naman tama kapalalong sa paran.
Yes sir.
Aron, kay kanilang drainage, flow naman dito.
Yes sir.
Bilang taapas, makatungdakan ang drainage area, dapat.
Yes sir.
Actually, hindi sa taas pa, alam mo bang kandida, pagsaka na dito naman diba, flat at masaka. So natin propose na diha yun, before mo flat, i-touch na nato dito ang mga gikan sa taas, aron magbuwang-buwangan ang marulong diha, diba? Tapay na nato dito sa pilit ka na existing. Abang ko nga gihimo sa region, anong ta? Proposal last year para for funding. Para fundingan na siya.
Unsa may imong idea Kim?
Kato sir, katong kuan, natuwa na to. Kung kung para gid ma-lesson din nato ning kuan pwede ra man nga since mo across naman ning drainage na to padulong sa main sa kaning highway. So mag-provide na lang tao ka ng steel grating, kanang steel grating nga kanang gikan sa highway nga modagan pasunod sa Villa Cadinda, iyang i-catch ning van kaning tubig na mo direct na pud siya sa kan.
I-presenta sa ila. I-formalize ng plano niyo mo. Dahil kay i-presenta to sa barangay. Aron maklaro sa ila. Kasi may tabo o niya, ang iyon na to sila. Kung namangaling i-propose ang siyudad, i-additional na lang nila i-improve. Aron di na matandong ba? Dili na ako ang trabaho. Naon na to. Naon nga masabtan ko nimo sir.
Pero engineer Joe, sabta na mo.
Lang,
Oh.
ano to pagod kay? Dagan ang mapintahan kung atong usabon pa.
Okay. Mga tanong na po ko, engineer Joe. Kani bang Old National Highway na to kani? Kanang connected na bang kanal alip going to Iponan River? Both sides? Wala to?
So far,
Di ko ka siguro ang lip side ko no.
Left side, lalo sa Iponan, Madam Jan, sa Iponan River yun, nakakuha na siya.
Ako na kita.
Sangko rin siya. Okay. Pero dito sa o padrong going to Upol, ang right side, ara kutob ang kanal yun. Kaya murder kutob siyang tiyong siguro. Naputol. Diya, wala pa nasumpay.
Sa kanang
Diya.
Kapita yuta si Wanya, na yuta si
Ruwa?
kandidato sa una ba?
Si ko,
Ayuta sila binya dia. Urang dia dapit taman among kanan.
Di nalabya. Di sa LTO gini engineer. Karena yung dala sa LTO, last namo nga kuha ka. Nangutanan ko sa kontraktor dayon. Karena dala sa LTO pag kuha na atbang, wala na dayo yung kanal going to kuha na. Unang river. O nahali naman ang yuta ni Labinya niya nga ako kayo na sa high school bito abay. Muslim na nakapalit na niya. Gani na na gitugod karon dia nga bag-o nga kuan gas station. O kana diha nga side walay kanal. At kanal lang diri sa going to Opol kaning left side. Wala di pangutana na sa barangay ug nga nilaos ba gina sa kunang river ang outro ana ang province kanal ana.
Left side, diretso na.
Diretso na siya.
Diretso na siya. Right side lang may wala pa din. Makontinue.
Sige, sige.
Oo.
Salamat, salamat.
So, inana na lang. Kani balik ta karon sa kandida.
Yes.
Ako lang lastaron ang plano namo. Kaya ipresentar lang tayo namo sa inyo. Dito sa kung pwede nga na mo tindog dito sa sesyon ninyo, among paatuhan. Aron maklaruhan mo sa unsay mahitabo sa among plano. Nga buhaton.
Sige, dyan karang
Oo, kay kuan man gyapon pareho naman atong tukod. Sulbaron man ato ang baha di adapita. Ang amo lang hanyo na umay mo, iyo na natin ibalhin. Kay kuan naman ni naanang isa sa dagat pa ni sobra na mis katunga. Kuan na mis pulis lain. Ora apiki na gibaw kanang ibalhin mo. Karon na hanyo nako. Kung naman galing gusto sa city nga ilang wato nila, idugan na lang nila. O i-improve nila sa buhato ng mga stasyon. Kung tayo, ano na sabi sa inong bang? City na to. Oo, city na lang to.
kung naipang
pwede yapon, alam.
O kaya rin ato na lang.
pang-minimize
Hindi ba nila dumagan na lang dayo, i-improve pa po ang trabaho.
Kaning main nga, kaning puti ba nga ba? Dalan ba, main road? Wala na apil ang kuha na, drainage kanal na silid. I-apil mo gusto.
unsay kani
Kanal na siya.
kaning kuan
Usap ka ng pula, usap ng pula.
amo na siya ang iyahang mga distribute
Dalo na siya, diya kaagi sa dalan at privilege. Ito lang, karang puti, malinis na ito yung butana.
main channel
Iba ba sa dalan?
main channel sir main channel na
So, kita lagi na to. Ako, dahil ang pula,
ang kanin pula is kana na
Drainage
dayon
yapon.
drainage yapon pero
hindi pa niya
kana
po na to, ibukan niya po na to.
Pero ginagmay na kayo, pang pa naman to, pang household na lang, o kanang rain, so,
May construction o contract?
ako lang sir, pinaka the best kay line canal lagi. Line canal na kay para ang slope makakuha na ka na makontrol na. No kaning red sir.
Okay. Sige, sige. Ako lang ikuan, ang ako lang sa tutugin ko ni Engineer Joe nga kanang mag-present to sa kwan para kay council during sa session ng problema na kinahuman na ng session nga po kay every first and second Monday mo session sa council. Tuloy sa March sa amin. Pero pwede man siguro magkuhan lang, special lang. Okay lang, special lang. Igna lang may kung sa amin yan.
Pwede ra to.
At least klaro po nila pa. Ha? Nana lang siguro. Okay.
Kay Sir Michael po kanang kung pwede sir, na-alay formalize na to or letter from barangay.
So kami magbuot sa date o kuan. Makinana mo.
Di ko sir, kanang regarding ano ba? Verbal man atong kuan karon.
Lagi, pero ang date, kamo na mo kuan. So din mo, informal na mo request sa inyo ha. About anil, pero wala sa date o kan sa. Kaya alam, kaya para makaandam po
Okay,
para.
we're already eight days to go, June.
Okay.
12 days to go, evening date.
12 days to go para ikuan naman.
Yes, yes.
So within na sir.
Kana wala.
Sige, okay. Thank you very much, sir, for that.
Di ba?
Anything more from Engineer Kenneth? This
Wala na kayo. Thank you.
we will now proceed to the next project, still in Bulua. The construction of the multi-purpose building at Barangay Bulua. Let us now welcome Engineer Christian Bulangan.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Engineer Christian Bulan, Secretary of the Contract ID for KA Services Construction of the Purpose Building at Barangay Bulua, City of South Sudan. Operation of the million, we see is 9.9 million. Calendar days is 180 days. Major categories, you will see the policy and the construction low price, construction without piles, no rise concrete, frame. Similar major categories, you will see the PHC, will be construction without piles, high rise concrete frame. Scope of work, demolition of existing structure, clearing and grabbing, access road and design, construction of 3 classroom, CR and room. Elevate to 0.6 from finished grade line, downspout and clean, ramp, ceiling, installation of wall, addition of bedroom, type, floor, as per plan. Location, the Bulua Paris School, Central, ikot beside back the big building. Nasa likod sa store. So site photos, money siya ay demolish the canteen, canteen, and water in the road, access sa equipment, from sa project. This one is the remove classroom. And this one also. Then categories 1, 2. Then use the perspective, the building, there's only 3 classroom with CR. And the floor plan, then the partition layout plan of the margin. Toilet details for strict compliance as per BP 344. Then the grab door, and also the ramp because of the elevate 0.6. This is the design of the ramp. And summary quantities, item number B, B.31, permit and clearances, one lump sum inclusion, the permit, valuation permit, electrical, mechanical, electronics, fee, and VFR. And permit clearances, contractors tax, according to CDO, C, ROD, number 20860, 2014, in graduated tax on business, 51 inclusion of business tax on contractors and other independent contractors in accordance with the following schedule. And excess of 2 million was a fixed rate of 75% of 1% contract price. So purpose of this section, the tax general general rating for a special a contractor with business permit issued other than Cagayan de Oro shall initially base on the total contract price to be paid by the contractor beyond for the insurance of the building permit. For Cagayan de Oro city based contractor, the contractor shall be legal only upon renewal of the business. So it's a matter of quantities. V.51 building project we work one each. So in B.51 project B.71 population safety and health one lump sum. B.91 organization and demobilization one lump sum. In division 1 general part C earthworks 101 clearing grabbing 624 square meter. 804 A4 individual removal of trees above 900 kaya large to each. 801 removal of structure and destruction 1 lump sum. 803 1A structural excavation common soil 396.07 cubic meter. And then 804 1A embankment from roadway structure excavation common soil 499.7 cubic meter. 804 2A embankment from barrow common soil 103.63 cubic meter. 804 7 double fill 53.57 cubic meter. Part A reinforcement creek 901C reinforcement creek 901C structural concrete 3000 PSI plus A to break this 75.31 cubic meter. Composed of columns, beams, and fittings. In 902C structural concrete class B to days slab in grade 37.46 cubic meter. 906 reinforced concrete composed of construction stairs slab 32.68 cubic meter. 902 1A 1 reinforced concrete reformed grade 40 21,500
67.75 kilograms. 932 formworks and postworks, 581.1 square meters. Division to building, part E, finishes and other civil works. 1001, massal personing, 56 liters. 1019, storm drainage adult spout, 1 lump sum. 1001, pipes and fittings connection, 1 lump sum. 1024, plumbing fixtures, 1 lump sum. 1024, for water line, 1 lump sum. 1031, A1, ceiling, 4.5. Fiber cement work in metal frame, 365.61 square meters. 1317, carpentry and zinc works, 1 lump sum. 1042, finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. 1051, residential basement steel, 34.56 square meter. Then 1054, owning ventilator window, 2.16 square meter. 1064, steel work, uh, 1091A, zero window glass, 0 plus 21.60 square meters. In 1010 2A, per flash, 8.689 meter. 1010 2B, the doors wood panel, 11.64 square meters. 1008, glass and glazing, 21.6 square meter. 2013 2A, fabricated metal roofing accessories, 8626, 0.551 millimeter, pitch, E-pros, 31.5 millimeter. 2014 1 B2, plated metal sheet about 0.27 and plate type long, 340.33 square meter. And 1016 1A 1B, waterproofing, liquid, 1042 square meters. 1062, built up and performing grade, 26.48 square meter. The 1082, glaze tiles, 80.23 square meters. And 1085, glaze tiles, 72.64 square meters. And 1071, cement plaster finish, 637.2 square meters. 1032 1A, painting and painting works, masonry concrete, 649.8 square meters. 1032 1C, painting work steel, 660.52 square meters. 1044 3, folding doors partition, this is the folding type, 1 lump sum. 46, type 46 2, A1, CHB non-bearing within first steel, 100 millimeter thick, 80.36 square meters. Also, 46 2, A2, CHB non-bearing, including reinforced steel, 150 millimeter thick, 258.57 square meters. 1047 4A, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 300 each. So 1047 4B, metal structure, buckle, 20 each. 1047 5C, metal structure accessories, post bracing, 1047, post bracing 1332 per kilogram. in 1,047 5C metal structure host bracing another 33.2 kilogram. 1,047 5D metal structure steel plate 913.44 kilogram. 1,047 7 structural steel 1 lump sum. 1047 8A structural steel process 952.34 kilograms. 1,047 8B structural steel purlins 6,634.08 kilograms. 1,051 A railings in the round 1 lump sum. In electrical, 110010 conduit boxes fittings works under drafting 1 lump sum. In relevant 133 wires and wiring device 1 lump sum. And 1102 panel board with main branch breakers 1 lump sum. In 1103 lighting and fixtures of lamp 1 lump sum. In 1106 CCTV system 1 lump sum. In part G mechanical 12,001 ventilating equipment 1 lump sum. 12,026 A1 fire extinguisher 4.54 kilogram ABC with bracket 4 sets. 12,081 fire alarm system 1 lump sum. So in lump sum, the summary of 12,081 fire alarm including smoke detector with base, fire alarm bells, fire alarm control panel 6 zones, push and pull station limit manual, fire alarm bells, machine restraint, strobe light, and 11,001 lighting fixtures, seclusion, ceiling mounted LED panel light, self-contained emergency light pack, downlight, ring light fixtures. In 1,004 plumbing fixtures, inclusion the water closet engaged with complete accessories, wall hung laboratory with complete accessories, wall hung mineral with complete accessories, stainless or green, village sprayer, display the faucet. The minimum requirements, equipment requirements, stake truck cargo, 12 yards, cubic yards, one unit old, complete vibrator, 5 amps, 2 unit old, backhoe, 0.83, 0.8 meter cube, 1 unit least, dump truck, 12 cubic yard, 1 unit old, 1 bagger mixer, with 4 to 6 cubic feet per minute, 2 unit old, wire cutter, 25 mm diameter max rebar, 1 unit old, and bar binder 25 mm max rebar, 1 unit old, milling machine 700 amps, 1 unit old, cutting out kit, 14 inches cut off machine, 41 unit old, material testing apparatus, 1 set old, material minor tools, 1 set old, truck mounted crane 31 to 35 metric ton, 1 unit least, portable least sanitation tank, 1 unit least, thermal scanner with rechargeable battery, 1 unit least, power sprayer with complete accessories, 1 unit least, pump crate, 1 unit least, bulldozer 155 horsepower, 1 unit least, and payloader 1.5 cubic meter, 1 unit least. A total of 20 units. And some summary of category subject for unit 2. So this changes the subject. Thank you. Any question?
Hello. Ini, question ako. Ano lang, Jim, napatay mga kape sa itong mga bisita. Kape, kalimit, biskuit. Wala na itong pagkakas. Sabi na po wala. Maya itong discussion ba? Sige, muna ako. Thank you.
Any more question for Juan? Is there any sa multipurpose building in Bulua Elementary School?
Kanang wa may question kahit in my own knowledge mamukubaluan ni nga nagagyo na yang kuan
Admission.
sa DPD ni abi man ako ni kaning in PB nga 10 million morning among yata nga plano kang architect Francine katong sa among katuban katong among bitong multipurpose kaning kuan bitong architect katong sa barangay hall na mo ba nga renovation ako mo di na mo 10 million mo gyapon to ano po na okay ra ma'am madam siya wala okay
I can project in Bulua.
wala kay
So I guess we're done with Barangay Bulua. Thank you very much for the question. We will now be moving on to the fourth project. So, balik ka sa list. Next will be a multipurpose building in Barangay Mambuaya. Let's welcome Architect Franzen Valdez.
Junior Kuya, salamat. Junior Joe. Tapos ako.
Good afternoon, everyone. Next project is with contract ID 24KH0064, construction of multipurpose buildings, phase 1, in Barangay Mambuaya, Cagayan de Oro City. Emphasize na ko ang kay duha ni siya ka projects with the same, almost the same title. Ang difference na is preposition. In, then ang isa is at. So this one is in, Barangay Mambuaya. ABC is 4,950,000 and calendar days is 120. And major categories is building construction without piles, low rise, concrete frame. And then similar major categories, buildings construction without piles, high rise, concrete frame. The scope of work is complete construction of 2 stories, multi-purpose building, interment as per plan. So kani siya nakapattern ni siya sa atong newly finished na kanang kuan. Newly finished na to nga interment building sa Bulua. So the location of the project is kuan siya naidalan going sa site sa Barangay Hall. So this is the Barangay Hall. So medyo siya nasa likod sa Barangay Hall na siya ka ng Barangay Road kilid. Ato bang facing the Barangay Road beside the Barangay Hall. So di na siya naka-site. And then muna siya ang actual na site. Na siya mga kahoy. But as per validation dato, they already have a kanang permit for cutting of trees. But then for this project, ang bakat lang na to is kanina naka-stars na mga kahoy more or less nasa mga 6 feet siya sa as per kuan na to. So sa minimum bali ni siya ang 6 na kahoy na i-cut na to. But then according to the kuan validation ng last time, almost 24 daw kami tanan halos tagaan na daw nila, nakuhaan na nila og building cutting permit. So, wala tayong problema. So, this is the proposed perspective. As I mentioned earlier, nakapattern siya sa atong newly constructed na intermediate building sa Bulua. Lang siya, nadugangan lang na to siya of ramp on the side for compliance to the BP 344. So, muli siya. The same design. Ang difference only yan is kanang gamay-gamayan na nato ang kanang mga tubing, steel tubing day. As observed man nato sa actuals, pwede ra nato i-less. Then, kanilang po ang mga windows below sa ground floor is naka-owning mo gud ni siya. And then, wala lang ko na ko anong before. It's hard magod kay open area siya diha, maagi-agi ang tao na ay doors. So, converted na siya into tubular na windows. The same sa atong mga louver windows. And then, another difference po ay sa existing nato is i-extend nato ang canopy diri sa ubos kay naka-violet na canopy since na naman tayo ramp para po shaded ang atong ramp. So, more or less, more siya ulit sura. Ito lang mga minors ang difference. So, the same floor plan with porch, ramp, and porch, and then room 1. So, multi-purpose building intended for interment, pero not necessarily maging interment lang siya. As mentioned, multi-purpose. But generally, ang kuan natin is interment. So, floor finishes na to, we have 600 by 600 in glazed floor tiles para sa atong general flooring, and then yes, sir.
O ba itong imong gistorya, atong gistorya ganina?
Dili, sir. Katong isa, sir. 68, sir.
Before din mo discuss kung isa istorya sa atin gistorya to
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige para.
Sige, sir. And then plain cement smooth finish para rin siya sa storage room, and then plain cement smooth finish with groups kanin sa atong room. So again, we have pantry, utility, and then toilets for general for common use. And second floor plan, we have a wide staircase para accessible gihapon sa taas kung magdala lugar tawag ka ng casket, and then with two kanang both sides ang naikuan tao maghawid, so we have a wide entrance, a wide entrance exit. So the same you have itong floor finishes, tiles, floor tiles, 600 by 600 mm, and then sa general flooring. And then this is we also have adjustment sa atong height kay as per kato at observation nato sa first project mong nato i-apply nato diri ang mas maka-improve pa. So elevated gihapon siya at 200 meters from the finish grade line. So ato lang sabay dito o verify ang finish grade line, natural grade line. Then from natural grade line, kung dili siya tambak, so mao na to siya atong finish grade line. So kung tambak siya, assume na to madili dito siya ang atong natural grade line. So 200, and then ground floor to second floor finish floor line is 3.2 meters, and then from second floor line to the top of the beam is 3.10. Total height of 7.33 meters. Naman niya siya the same with louver blocks ginapon, the same tubular doors, windows, ground floor. Pero diretso na din ako. Typical naman po ng atong mga materials na ginagamit sa atong building from all sides. Diri lang dapit sa left side and part of the rear elevation, we have the kanang wall treatment na groups as shown kanina sa ilang perspective. This is the cross section. We have a 2.7 finish na floor, ground finish, floor line finish to ceiling line. Clear na to siya as per requirements sa atong building code. Kuan gini siya ang sa ground floor nga 2.7. Required gini siya basta mga naturally ventilated na mga buildings. So, ito yung message. We have the ground floor ceiling plan. We also have using a suspended acoustical ceiling with 60 by 60 meter acoustical board on metal standard T and cross T runners, and then the sides below the stairs or the storage room, we exposed concrete, it to be painted in semi-gloss finish. So the color is to be specified by the end user. But generally, for presentation purposes, kaning colors natin ginapakita, all the paint colors are for presentation purposes only. So second floor fitted ceiling plan, again, suspended acoustical ceiling, we have one. Roof plan using a roofing, pre-painted metal sheets above 0.427 mm, grid type, long span. Scheduled doors and windows. General doors and windows at the ground floor are all steel, tubular steel. So we all have details here sa ato. Schedule of doors and windows. This one. Also have the detail for the vertical louvers and horizontal louvers. Then, the toilet detail is specified din siya nga for strict compliance as per BP 344. So, as is gid siya. Kung naa may variation ani nga plan, please ka nang consult with the designer or sa planning and design section. This one, we specify the heights, generally the heights of the fixtures, the grab bars, as per paan gihapon BP 344. Also, the doors for the toilets. Don't forget, for compliance with the BP 344, the kick plate, the door handle should be a lever type door handle for easy access. And ang kick plate na to is both sides of the doors, inside and outside. Then we have this. Please take note for strict compliance gihapon. And then for the ramps, again, BP 344. We also have the detail, please follow. And then, summary quantities. BDAT 3, just permit and clearances. Paspasa na lang din ako kay the same rin gihapon is sa all building projects nato. One lump sum, as per Cagayan de Oro, City Ordinance number 208, 20860 2014, building permit, demolition permit, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, electronics fees, Bureau of Fire. And then, permit and clearances for contractor's tax, balik-balik lang siya, in excess of 2 million, a fixed rate of 75% to 1% of contract price. For purpose of this section, the tax on general engineering, general building, or specialty contractors with business permits is issued other than by the Cagayan de Oro City initially be based on the total contract price to be paid by the contractor payable before issuance of the building permit. For Cagayan de Oro City-based contractors, the contractor's tax shall be levied upon renewal of the business permit. So in short, all contractors from based in Cagayan de Oro, pwede sila upon renewal of the business permit, they will pay the building permit fee. But for contractors outside Cagayan de Oro, on the spot, upon processing of the building permit, you should pay the required building permit fee. It's And then, continue with the summer quantities, project billboard, signboard, 1 each, occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum, earthworks, structural excavation, common soil, 172.72 cubic meters. Please take note that these quantities are subject for bid bulletin. As I mentioned earlier, na ay mga changes. Embankment. Next is embankment from structural excavation, 168.2 cubic meters. Embankment from gravel field, 15.50 cubic meters. Structural concrete, class B, slab on field, 10.62 cubic meters. Structural concrete, 27.6 megapascal, 8.91 cubic meters. Reinforcing steel, reformed, grade 40, 9,032.26 kilograms. Formworks and post works, 335.35 square meters. Catch basin, 1 lump sum. Storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. Pipes and fittings connections for solid waste water line, 1 lump sum. Septic wall, concrete, combination of concrete and it's all concrete, 1 lump sum. Next is plumbing fixtures, inclusion are water closet, inundated with complete accessories, wall hang lavatory with complete accessories, wall hang urinal with complete accessories, stainless steel floor drain, bidet sprayer, and bidet hose or faucet. Hose bib or faucet, 1 lump sum. Stainless steel grab bar, specify nila ka usually kani ang dili nila ma-follow. A total of 5.10 linear meter with vertical grab bar at urinal 1.4 meters, both sides are urinal, horizontal grab bar at water closet 1.5 meters, L-shape na siya, naka-L na siya na grab bar. Collapsible grab bar in between the water closet and urinal 2.2 meters. This one, naka-specify, this is the collapsible grab bar. Next, cold water line, PPR pipe and fittings. All cold water line, we use PPR pipes. So 1 lump sum. Finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Doors, flush doors, 7.7 square meters. Doors, panel doors, 3.78 square meters. Aluminum frame glass door, sliding type. This is for big bulletin. No more aluminum glass door sliding, swing, and all aluminum, only the aluminum glass windows owning type, 21.24 square meters are available, included on the project. So please take note of the big bulletin. And fabricated metal roof accessories, flashing, 43.20 linear meters. Pre-printed metal sheets above 0.427 millimeter rib type long span, 125.80 square meters. And glazed tiles for all the floor tiles, 168 square meters. Glazed tiles, floor to ceiling wall tiles, atong mga toilets, 31.7 square meters. Cement plaster finish, 491.39 square meters. Plastical ceiling panel, 161.76 square meters, included framing. Painting works, masonry and concrete, 522.56 square meters. Painting works for steel, 143.04 square meters. Reflective insulation, 164 square meters. Siege pin and load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 100 mm thick, 196.88 square meters. Louver blocks, 14.88 square meters. Structural steel, 1 lump sum. All the tubular steel window grills, louvered windows are included in the structural steel. Structural steel for trusses, 182.30 kilograms. Structural steel purlins, 618.40 kilograms. Metal structures, bolts, 52 each. Metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 8 each. Metal structural scissors post bracing, 96.11 kilograms. Metal structure steel plates, 87.40 kilograms. Metal structural scissors subrods, 24.86 kilograms. And then metal railing, 1 lump sum. And then electrical works as per plan, conduit boxes and fittings, conduit works dropping in, 1 lump sum. Wire and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. Panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. Lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. This includes a self-contained emergency light pack, a downlight or dim light fixtures, and drop light fixtures. Mechanical as per plan also, we have the ventilating equipment, 1 lump sum. Fire extinguisher, 4.54 kilograms, ABC with bracket, 2 sets. And then fire alarm system, 1 lump sum. This includes smoke detector and with base, fire alarm bell, fire alarm control panel, 6 zones, pole push station manual, fire alarm bell and annunciator, siren, and strobe light. Then for minimum equipment requirement, state truck or cargo truck, 12 yards, 12 cubic yards, 1 unit owned, covered vibrator, 5 amps, 2 unit owns, backhoe, 0.80 cubic meter, 1 unit lease, dump truck, 12 cubic yards, 1 unit owned, 1 bagger mixer, 4 to 6 cubic feet per minute, 2 unit owned, bar cutter, 25 mm maximum diameter rebar, 1 unit owned, bar bender, 25 mm maximum diameter rebar, 1 unit owned, welding machine, 500 amperes, 1 unit owned, cutting outfit, 14 inches cut-off machine, 1 unit owned, material listing apparatus, 1 set owned, minor tools, 1 set owned, then truck mounted crane, 31 to 35 metric tons, 1 unit leased. Any question? How about from our visitor? Do you have any questions? That's all. Thank you for the presentation. Was well detailed. So any questions? Thank you very much, Architect Franzen. Thank you. Thank you. So let's move on to the 5th project for this afternoon. We have the MPB in Barangay Pigsag-an. Let us hear now from Engineer Grace Julian. Our next project is the contract ID 24KH0066, the construction of multipurpose building in Barangay Pigsag-an, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental. This is located at Pigsag-an National High School, Barangay error. Barangay Pigsag-an. The appropriation for this project is 5 million with an APC of 4,950,000, calendar days of 120 calendar days. So the scope of work for this project is the construction of multipurpose building with an area of 18 meters by 18 meters. So this is the site pictures where the project will be located. So during our validation with the punong barangay and principal of Pigsag-an National High School. So this is the area. So the space is we have no problem in that space. So this is the perspective of our project. But the color might be subject for subject to change depending upon the end user. So this is the site location. Where we can see this is the existing one-story classroom. Ato lang ni siya i-parallel sa, according to Engineer Mamaklay, i-parallel lang nato siya sa side diri sa existing classroom. So, naiisa ka kinipaahat transfer. Transfer naman na ilang pa. So, for the budget of 5 million, this project will have only 3 spans, 18 by 18. So, for future funding, paning additional ani ever funding yan. So, this is the typical plan, which is covered by aluminum metal cladding. The elevation, typical foundation, footing details, beams and girders, structural details, the line canal detail, and fabricated flashing and the gutter detail. So for the summary of quantities, which is subject for bid bulletin, item B.31, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.51, project billboard and signboard, 1 each. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. For part 3, the civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works, which includes the earthwork, item number 17205, metal frames and ratings, 61 pairs. 8031A, structure excavation, the common soil, 108.68 cubic meters. 8041A, embankment from roadway structure excavation, common soil, 103.68 cubic meters. 8042A, embankment from barrow, common soil, 46.87 cubic meters. 8047, gravel field, 31.8 cubic meters. Part B, the plain and reinforced concrete work, which includes item number 901C, structural concrete, 3000 PSI plus A, 28 days, 23.64 cubic meter. 902C, structural concrete plus B, 28 days, 39.15 cubic meters. 9021A1, reinforcing steel deformed grade 40, 6,994.5 kilograms. 9032, formworks and falseworks, 264.75 square meters. Part C, finishings and other civil works. Item 1019, stone drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. 10132A, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26, 0.551 millimeter reach or deep close, 20 linear meters. 10132B, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26, 0.551 millimeter flashing, 134 linear meters. 10132C, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 24, 0.701 millimeter cutters, 64.5 linear meter. 10141A2, repainted metal sheets above 0.4 to 7, corrugated type, long span, 550 square meters. 10321C, 1A, painting works, masonry / concrete, 441.01 square meters. 1032 1C, painting works, steel, 298.05 square meters. 1047 8A, structural steel trusses, 7,007.36 kilograms. 1047 8B, structural steel purlins, 3,496 kilograms. 1047 4A, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 192 each. 1047 4B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 10 each. 1047 5C, metal structure cross bracing, 206.22 kilograms. 1047 5D, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 216.03 kilograms. And 1047 5B, metal structure accessories, sub-rods, 117.22 kilograms. For the permits and clearances, this is also the same in the other projects. The processing fees for permits, the Bureau of Fire, the permit fees, and other clearances and professional fees. For the minimum equipment requirement, stake, cargo truck, list 1, backhoe, breaker, list 1, dump truck, list 1, minor tools, owned 1, plate compactor, owned 1, welding machine, gas or driven, owned 2, cutting outfit, owned 1, boom truck, list 1 bagger mixer, owned 1, bar cutter single phase, owned 1, bar bender, owned 1, and material testing apparatus, owned 1 set. So, any questions?
Yes. Atong pada to sa bangko. Sa piso.
Naatay ang imbang anin atay on feel nga may 0.4 man ata to. Ako lai ano sa klaro lang sa bulletin.
Bangko flat keto sa.
Oo, na ako'y
Click sa big.
na ako'y i-return. Yes. Ako lai ano pag bulletin. Okay. Since there is no more questions, we're done with Pigsag-an. Let us now proceed to project number 6. The proposed building in Bulua, Barangay Balulang. Let's welcome back Engineer Christian Bulangan.
The truck ID to report the users 67, construction of the purpose building of Lumbia, Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City, sa Amsterdam, interpretation of the Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. Equation of the new using outside, calendar days 180 days. Major categories may CWP, LC, continuing construction without tiles, no rise complete, and similarly categories, LCWP, HC, continuing construction without tiles, no rise complete, frame, similar construction with LC transfer plan. And Balulang, this is one, our problem ng ani is, we have center sa capital property.
reply sa kung allowed na ba mo proceed sa how dito na pagkira sa sa POH. So, subject to ability ng part sa meron patitis because um, sa building. So, this is the trailer, the ground bar, the ramp, and permits. Is earlier said, the permits of the building, and also the contractors, if outside the door, they must be pay contractors tax. And summary quantities, part B, B.31, permits and clearances. What to say? Yeah. Importante mo proceed. Actually, kani nga project, na issue nga i-resolve. Lilipat ka siguro kung muhatag ba o permiso ang DOH na dito na to katong ilang building atong dili man to gubaon pero murag i-enhance ba o inana atong i-kuan pero sa nga murag inana pero sa ngalan nga ilang mo building alisod man kahit mo guba o kanang or mo dugang o mo renovate kung wala'y panugot sa nagyagid sa building. Ibutang ta, ang butog ito, ma-over ka na ila sa barangay po sa Balulang. Mo nang gusto na ako i-clarify. Ibuta mo po siya ini-further sa ating diskusyon. Useless man atong diskusyon kung hindi ta makakuha o resolution sa kanang atong atong permiso sa pag-improve ang building. Mo man na siya akong pasabot diya. So, wala gyapon mo tan academic ra gyapon ang diskusan nato aning kuan kung mag-discuss ta din nga wala kay permiso. Ang una ginato is kung taon sa nato ang panugot sa DOH or pananglitan kung gihatag na ni sa DOH dito sa barangay kung makapagawas og papilis ang barangay nga gitumobot na sa ila hindi na siguro nato ilabtan. O, himuan din nila resolusyon sa barangay nga atong i-renovar na ang building. So, namin na itong mga requirement. So, sa ako lang karon wala pa tinggal siguro tayo need na i-discuss na ito ang project. Di ba, Madam Chair?
I guess that's a good suggestion from Sir Jojo. Since details of this project assumes that okay ang two-story proposal, but then there's a problem sa permits. So we might as well ipang sa atong discussion for today. Waiting for one. Then for this project, there's going to be a big bulletin coming up to be posted in relation sa annual project or whatever, depending on the development.
Ano ko ito, Jennifer? Patay mo ko ano? Wala ang tasin nila tao ka ano. Wala to. Importante ni siya. Padiwan nila. Nga na-paisyo. Pagka balo, maresolve na to within this week.
So, sa interim Bulangan, for now, ato lang sa i-suspend ang discussion ng awaiting for future development ang ato lang akason if ever nanatay data. Right. The matter is concerning the site, which is important. So for now, we will proceed to project number 7, the construction of MPB, Barangay Mambuaya, Phase 1, Cagayan de Oro City. Let's welcome back Architect Franzen Pares.
Good afternoon once again. The same case, ma'am, paan lang ko kung mag-proceed pa ba ko. Kay as of today, gihapon, wala kay official resolution ng barangay as to what project ang gusto gid nila. As the previous consultation, ingon sila, kita bahala. So, so shall we proceed with the NPP na kita lang doon?
So for Mambuaya Phase 1 project, still we are waiting for the final resolution of the site issue. So we have the same case with Balulang.
Actually, ma'am, wala sila issue sa site, nagtudlo sila sa site pag the project dili sila, wala sila nag-ingon kung sa itupod. So nagtudlo lang sila nga dito tapos sa katong project na to nga interment, pero kita daw bahala kung sa nga project na to.
Okay, so everything was not by issue to be settled, and resolved with the end user. So there's going to be a big bulletin on this. It is project 2048-0068. So after lang sa one discussion sa details of the project. For this moment, proceed sa top. We move on to Barangay Bonbon. Again, let's welcome back Engineer Chris Chan Bulangan.
Contract ID 2048-0069, the completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Bulua, Cagayan City, Misamis, Oriental. So this is the completion of the existing covered court at Barangay Bulua. So you see 1,900,000, 30 days, what we do is you see the priority to C, and also similar categories that you see value of C. The scope of works, installation of steel concrete framing system for covered court walls, support, rubberized painting slab, roofing works with area of 4.13 meters and 2.2 meters, addition gutter, fascia frame, flashing downspout around target cladding and front at and back, demonstration of ceiling and stage and location, the barangay Bonbon, covered with site photos and also the construction of perspective and construction of diminution, the perspective. Along the way to from the whole interior. So the floor plan known as stage and two CR PWD. The left side view cross section of the plan and the structural revision details using the I-beam framing to support the CHP. And also the front, this one is the interior, and this is the front. And toilet street appliance as the P4, male and the female. The grab bar details, we have the RAM details, and summary of quantities. Part B, original garments, B.51, billboard, 9.1 each. B.71, national safety and health, one lump sum. B.91, localization and implementation, one lump sum. Division 1, general part C. Earthworks, 8031A, structure, excavation, common soil, 79.73 cubic meter. 841 B A, embankment and roadway structure, common soil, 82.66 cubic meter. And 842 embankment and narrow, 3.49 cubic meter. And 847 rubber field, 9.26 cubic meter. Part D, reinforced concrete, and every 1C structural concrete 2000 SI plus A with beams, columns, and beams, including 6.15 cubic meter. And every 2C structural concrete plus B with 8 beams, slab on grade, 2.18 cubic meter. And 906 reinforced concrete, touch base and stairs, around 13.25 cubic meter. And 921 A1 reinforced steel reform, grade 14, 2,752.4 kilograms. Now the 32 forwards and first works on 540.94 square meters. In Division 2 building, Part E, finishing and other civil works, 1,001 soil traceability, one square meter. Sorry, lamsang na siya. 1,019 storm and drainage non-spot, one lamsang. 1,110 pipes and heating connection, one lamsang. 1,024 plumbing fixtures, one lamsang. 1,220 washer mill, 2.66 or 16 square meter. And 1,224 cold water line, one lamsang. 1,031 B1, 4.5 marine water metal frames, ceiling 1,200 to 1.58 square meters. And 1,032 B4, 16.15 wood framed wall. This is the stage decor, 151.46 square meters. In 1,004, 2 finishing hardware, one lamsang. 1,010 2A, door flush, 9.26 square meter. 1,010 2B, doors, manuals, 12.60 square meter. 1,008 1C, aluminum glass window, only type, 35.76 square meter. 1,008 B, aluminum glass window, fixed type, 1960 square meters. 1,013 2B, fabricated metal framing accessories, age 0.551 millimeter flashing, 137.1 linear meter. In 1,014 1 B2, pre-painted metal sheet above 0.427 millimeter with type long, 68.60 square meter. In 1,016 1B, waterproof roofing liquid, 10.04 square meter. And 1,016 2 with up and performing rain, 16.60, 99 square meters. And then in 1,018 2 And place tiles 7.1691 square meters in toilet and in 10.18.5 place tiles toilet into the room to 7.8 square meters. In 10.21.12 floor finishes the rubberized floor plane 1 AXA. 10.27.1 cement plaster finish 1,399.34 square meters. 1,031.31 acoustical ceiling panel 7.07 square meters. In 1,032.1 A painting works assembly concrete 998.35 square meters. In 1,032.1 C painting works is steel 121.99 square meters. In 1,031 reflected insulation 54.88 square meters. In 1,039.1 aluminum cladding 208.5 square meters. In 1,046 2 A1 CHB non-load bearing including reinforced steel 100 millimeter thick 469.45 square meters. 1,047 4A metal structure accessories both in brands 76 each. 1047 4B metal structure accessories per buckle 4 each. 1047 5C metal structure cross bracing 21.31 kilograms. 1047 5D the metal structure steel gates 105.78 kilograms. In 1,047 7 structural steel 1 USAC. In 1,047 A structural steel trusses 702.06 kilogram. In 1,047 8B structural steel purlins 258.44 kilograms. And 1,051 1A the railings 1 USAC. In part F the electrical 11,010 conduit boxes and fitting conduit parts conduit of in 1 USAC. In 11,001 33 wires and wirings device 1 USAC. And 10,021 panel board with main and branch breakers 1 USAC. In 11,031 lighting fixtures and lamps 1 USAC. 11,061 CCTV system 1 USAC. And also in part G mechanical 12,001 ventilating equipment 1 USAC. 12,002 13A air conditioning speed type has package or speed type 1 USAC. 12,002 6A1 power extinguisher 12.54 kilogram with bracket 7 set. 12,081 power alarm system 1 USAC. And the normal cladding that one. The ceiling of 4.5 millimeter thick fiber cement board metal faring with one cover the steel beam. In minimum equipment requirements, stake truck cargo, cubic yard, 1 unit on, concrete vibrator, 5 amps, 2 unit on, backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter, 1 unit lease, dump truck, 12 yards, 2 cubic yards, 1 unit on, 1 barrel mixer, 4 to 6 cubic feet per minute, 2 unit on, wire cutter, 25 mm diameter maxi bar, 1 unit on, bar bender, 25 mm diameter maxi bar, 1 unit on, the welding machine 500 amps, 1 unit on, a cutting outfit, 14 inches cut out machine, 1 unit on, material twisting apparatus, 1 unit set on, minor tools, 1 set on, truck mounted crane, 31 to 35 metric ton, 1 unit list, portable base sanitation tent, 1 unit list, thermal scanner, rechargeable battery, 1 unit list, parts spare, weights accessories, 1 unit list. And some layer properties, 081 RLM system version smoke detector with this. Fire alarm bells, fire alarm control panel, 6 zones, pressure cooling station, manual mode, and fire alarm, fire alarm bell, and then shape word, 7 months through plan. 11,000 B1 lighting fixtures, devotion, smart high beam lights, ceiling mounted LED panel, light, self contained using the light, down light, LED light fixtures, latest spark attract light fixtures. The planning pictures of the closet, wall hung laboratory with complete set accessories, wall hung mineral with accessories, stainless steel grain, village prayer, and display cost. So, yes, question. Yes, sir. Time of minimum equipment requirement ba? Item number 13 o 14. Palihog. Ako, sir. Ako, sir. Wala. Item 13 o 14 sa imong minimum. Ano, sir? 14. 13 to 15. 13, 14, 15. Wala ka ni siya. Okay. Sila sa aming equipment. Ang kapatang mo gamit na yung background. Napag-ibig naman ito.
Completion mo
Completion mo rin. So, na-concert sa katong part na sikit o ito sa signal related sa program. There's a nice relation expedition and natin ba ito yung expedition nasa na ay other items na nakalamsam. Make sure nila na specify ko sa lamsam. For example, floor finishes. Kasama na dapat akong rubberized ng fourth lang or dapat ng stage. Okay. Sa pictures, sa concert, sa area lang sa court ni Juan. Sa board lang. So other floor, sa yung aside mo sa court area, sa court area. Parang is na sa stage. Mas sinagpilas na. Pictures po? Pictures is a stick naman sir. Hindi na tiles naman.
Okay, there is a clarification regarding the floor finishes. The rubberized floor finishes refers only to the gray area in the middle of the building. Is it
Basketball court.
the big court for basketball?
Then, katong sa imong CCTV, the circle. Naka-specify ba ito? CCTV, awal na bitaw sa lalo. Iba na lang sa binabat. Specify sa mga plano ha, para makasabit ko. Taro na bid na po ng prospective bidders. Palo sila pilay ng presyo. Kasi, kana po na itong mga air conditioning, palang sa gapon. Kaya sa plano, pila ka po. Kasi, si David. Wala nga ako na sa Bernays. Nakon sa Bernays. Ang upper. Sabi ko lang sa kita mo sa
Sa parking sa itong murag buwan, abog na murag buwan, Process electrical, mechanical, is a Bernard, General Bernard Montanan. Appeal na ang pansa. Parking style, taas, abog, 3 piece na ba na? Dapat na basta sa konti. Di mo, galing mo yung naarang na 3 piece. Lapil ka yung sa estimate. Okay, sir. Wiring system. Yes, sir. Kailangan sir. Wala nga.
Basta kayang sunod sa inyong maglamsang tapos siya, nanglang mga sa mga sulod. At hindi mo alam sa kami ang parallel namin o sa mga wala na kami ang CCTV lang na lang yung
CCTV, siguro can we do an enclosure, description, how many cameras? Then some air conditioning. Since it's a one big structure mga air conditioning sa malay, lamsang mga air conditioning, so how many units? The whole building or around sa office? Office ani?
stage na
Oh, so at least i-clarify sa
nasa dressing room ba
so the air conditioned units are for the backstage area
yes.
only, yeah, for the whole gym, for the whole gym. How about the CCTV? How many cameras? That's the big one. Okay, nagtingnan na siya yung description. Minimum is 6.
Minimum of 6.
Atong office is having 20, having 24 cameras. It's found at least minimum. So it will be added sa yung info. Sige, anything more for Bonbon completion project? Wala na ba? Questions? So natin lang, yung sa question, noted is condenser. Answer to. So thank you very much. We're done with Bonbon. We will proceed to the next project, number 11, number 9. We have multi-purpose building in Iponan. To be discussed to us by, again, let's come back into the question, Bulang.
So, third one again. Contract ID, 24 construction of multiple post building at Barangay Iponan. Phase 1, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis. Provision 5 million, BCA for 2,950 million. Calendar days, number 50. Calendar days, number otherwise, BIC, WLP, BC, and also major categories, BIC, WLP, HC. Scope of works, construction of tennis court with spring and fence, amenities and comfort room, dressing room, facility room, and volleyball court as per plan. So location, the Barangay Hall Plaza at may Barangay
covered court. Ito, so tapos ay ito niya tatanong kay ibutang is for meeting barangay captain, decide ng kapula, ibutang. So aside photos, ano siya ka awan. So this one will be the tennis court and also the volleyball court. So ano siya ang perspective sa volleyball court and side and the tennis court. Ano siya ang site development plan, the existing structures of covered court, then there's a minimum tennis court, standard size, and also the amenities, facilities, dressing room, and CR. And next is one in the volleyball court with like pool. Lower floor lab, tennis court, and volleyball court. And more details, state compliance as the first floor, and male and the female, love bar, and summary expertise, the DPWH permits and clearances, one of some inclusion, living permit, demolition permit, electrical and mechanical plumbing insurance fees, Bureau 5, and the permit means clearance of contractor's tax. And also, some activities would be that 5-1, project build work, 7 1 each, be that 7-1, keeping safety and health, 1 staff, be that 9-1, organization and organization, and absent. Division 1, Part C, earthworks, 801, removal structure and construction, 1 lump sum, 803-1A, structure division, commissary, 255.1, 804-1A, back redwood wings, commissary, 408.7A, and 804-2A, back pag-barrel, commissary, 2.2 kilometer. 804-7, another field, 136.14. Part D, reinforced concrete, 901C, structural concrete, 3,000 pesos, and last 8 place, the columns, these two things. This one is the pedestal sa mga light post, like pool. 5.22 meter. And 102C, structural concrete class B, 28 days, was not on weight, 120.82 meter. And 906 reinforced concrete, this one is the stairs, touch basins, ramps, and septic tank, which is normally CR. Septic tank is 28.49 cubic meter. 902-1A1, reinforcing steel before 45,707.86 kg. 903-2, formworks and closed floors, 51.56 square meters. Addition to building, Part E, finishing other supports, 1,001, soil positioning, 1 square meter. 1,019 stored drainage and transport, 1,110 pipes and feeding connections, 1,024 climate fixtures, 1,220 facial mirror mounted, 1.44 square meters, 1,224 cold light, 1 lamp stamp, and 1,042 finishing hardware, 1 lamp stamp,
And also 1008, 1C, aluminum glass window to be type 172 square meter. And 1010 2A, door flash, utility, 3.78 square meters. And 1010 2B, door panels, 3.78 square meters. 1013 2A, fabricated metal roofing accessories, which is 6.5 millimeter, range close 76.60 millimeter. 1013 2B, fabricated metal roofing accessories, which is 6.5 millimeter, flashing 73.20 millimeter. 1013 2C, fabricated metal roofing accessories, which 34.71 millimeter butter, 73.52 millimeter. 1014 1B1, with plated metal sheet below 4 to 7 millimeter, with type short span, 115 to 20 square meter. 1016 1B, the liquid, 17.43 square meters. 1016 2, built up and membrane to form membrane 14.01 square meter. 1027 1, 7 plaster finish 56.86 square meters. 1032 1A, painting works assembly complete 894.72 square meters. 1032 1C, painting works steel 98.88 square meters. 1046 2 A1, CHB number bearing, including room for steel, 100 tape, 307.28 square meter. 1047 4A, infrastructure accessories, weapons racks, 52H, and 1047 4B, infrastructure accessories, and backhoe, 2H. 1047A, 5C, Vitas structure accessories was spacing 3.7 kilograms. 1047 5D, Vitas structure accessories, steel plates, 84.86 kilograms. 1047 7, structural steel, 1 lump. 1047 8B, structural steel, 4 links, 14.78 kilograms. In part F, electrical, 624 13 lighting system, 1 lump. 1,000, 11,010 do it boxes and fittings, the do it works crafting, 1 lump, 11,0133 wires and wiring device, 1 lump, 1,021 panel board with 1 digest breaker, 1 lump, 11,031 lighting fixtures and lamp, 1 lump. So minimum requirements, equipment requirements, stay cargo, cubic yard, 1 minute, reinforce, reinforce, concrete radiator, 5 pumps, 1 minute, backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter, 1 minute please, dump truck, third yard, third cubic yard, 1 minute load, bagger mixer, 4 to 6, cubic feet per minute to inflow, bar cutter, 25 mm, diameter, max rebar, 1 minute roll, bar bender, 25 mm, max rebar, 1 minute roll, moving machine for minutes, 1 minute roll, cutting out cube, 14 foot, inches, cut out machine, 1 minute roll, material, listing apparatus, 1 minute set, 1 set on, minor tools, 1 set on, truck, 1 foot, frame, 21 to 25 metric ton, 200 horsepower, 1 minute lease, cargo service truck, 2 to 5 metric ton, and 60 horsepower, 1 minute lease, about 40 units. So it's
I think there's no more question for Iponan.
nasa statistics lang sa natin ito. Kasi i-confirm ko nasa ang pag- tapos may walang post. Hindi daw sinasabi. Sa clearances. Hindi sila cancel. Hindi decide sila filing so pero wala pa sila wala pa sila location palingan kung possible ko sila na may butang na tag na in-store yeah ah wala optional pa siya kaya wala pa sila location yung yata kasi magpagpunta pa hindi na sila ay dili itapan na ako sir mag-ikot na nga ng tennis court ng Balulang Dara ang sa wala ako di pa na yun.
So thank you very much, Engineer Christian. Lumamata sa Iponan. Let's now have the last item for this afternoon. The number 10 project. Here from Engineer Eric from Cherries, water supply in Barangay Pagalunan. Good afternoon, everyone. So, this project is entitled Construction of a Solar Water System in Barangay Pagalunan. This project has an appropriation of 10 million and ABC of 9,800,000 calendar days of 280. So this is our location at Sitio Gimitan, Barangay Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. So our water source is spring and it is located 1.2 kilometers from the highway. That's it. 2 kilometers. So this is the elevation of the elevated top from along the highway. So we have to walk 600 meters to our second ground top, which has an elevation of 259. Then another 500 meters to water source and intake box. So this is the location of our elevated top. 4,000 of our water source and the intake box is also going to be sa ilalim, ang sulod sa kuan siya, ang water source, sulod sa langit. Kasi, low siya.
Masarap lang yun kasi. Ay, wala masarap chicken. Natin, chicken lang sa mga nagkaroon natin. First, this is our site development at the site location. We have proposed overhead tank and the proposed control room and the solar panels. This has a total of 200 square meters with fence na siya. So, our typical plans are elevated tank, and intake box, groundwater tank, control panel details, alarm, pedestal details, and our capstan. Summary of quantities. We have provision of field office for the engineer, 6 months. Permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. Project billboard signboard to each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Mobilization to mobilization, 1 lump sum. Fencing, chain link fence fabric, 16 meters. Structural excavation common soil, 276.37 cubic meters. Structural excavation soft rock, 21.45 cubic meters. Embankment from barrow, 17.87 cubic meters. Gravel field, 2.35 cubic meters. Structural concrete, 36.17 cubic meters. Plain concrete, 3.35 cubic meters. Reinforcing steel, deformed weight, 3,34.17 kilograms. Reinforcing steel, deformed weight, 118.63 kilograms. Formworks and post works, 1 lump sum. And cold water lines, 1 lump sum. Finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Cement plaster finish, 524.32 square meters. Painting works not complete, 366.02 square meters. Painting works steel, 58.52 square meters. Jealousy windows, 2.88 square meters. Doors, flush, 1.68 square meter. Pre-painted metal sheets, 36.96 square meters. Waterproofing cement base, 215.72 square meters. CHB non-load bearing, 65.84 square meters. Structural steel, 1 lump sum. For electrical, conduit works, roughing, 1 lump sum. Wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. Pile board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. Solar panel with inverter, battery and other devices, 1 lump sum. Lighting fixtures, 1 lump sum. Grounding system, 1 lump sum. Water pumping system, 1 lump sum. Valves and pipe fittings, 1 lump sum. Pipeline trench excavation, 272 cubic meters. Fill and backfill, 272 cubic meters. Polyethylene PE plastic pipe, 1 lump sum. So this is our materials for the item of works that are in lump sum. So our minimum equipment requirement, we have backhoe list, 1, dump truck list, 2, 1 bagger mixer, owned, 4, complete vibrator, 1 owned, bar cutter owned, 2, bar bender owned, 2, welding machine list, 2, cutting outfit owned, 2, material testing apparatus owned, 1. And that's all. Any questions? Any question regarding the presentation?
Ako yung clarification ng sitwasyon na yun. Consider ba nila ito lang dito?
Maraming sir.
Naman itong mayroon sa electrical.
Wala po sir.
So, reminder lang sa mga electrical plants na niya. Dapat sa style na ito.
Yes, sir.
So, yung batteries, test namin yun.
Yes, sir. Okay, we'll take yun. So, we have finished the discussion of the projects. We found out to the discussion on more details of this procurement from the procurement unit. Let's welcome Engineer Sherland Melono.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I will be discussing the procurement requirements and procedures for these infrastructure projects. For the procurement schedule, the buying of tender documents will be until February 27, 2024 at 12 noon only. For the deadline for the submission of bids will be on February 27, 2024 until 2 p.m. For the opening of bids will follow right after the deadline and drafting of bids. For the bidding requirements, the bids should be submitted to the back on the date, time, and either of its physical address or through online submission specified in the invitation to bid to the bidder's duly authorized representative in the envelope system. We have the email address for the electronic submission and the physical address for the manual submission. The bid proposals must be submitted to an authorized representative or liaison officer registered in the Civil Works Registry, or otherwise those who are not should have a notarized special power of attorney, which is contract specific and presentation with company ID or any government issued ID. For the submission and receipt of bids, we have ito envelope system, namely the technical components and the financial components. For the technical components, we have the legal documents. In the legal documents, it must contain a valid and updated federal registration certificate in accordance with Section 8.5.2 of the IRR. And next is the technical documents. In the technical documents, it must contain a statement of all ongoing government and party contracts, the single largest completed contracts, the valid PCAB license or special PCAB for joint venture, a bid security, and the revised omnibus one statement form. Also, it must contain the following: organizational chart, list of contractors, key personnel, and the list of contractors, major equipment units, which are on lease and are under purchase agreement. These are their standard forms. Next, we will have the financial documents. In the financial documents, it must contain a net financial contracting capacity and the audited financial statement. The next envelope will have the financial component. It must contain the in standard form, the financial bid form, the bill of quantities, the detailed estimates, and the cash flow by quarter. For the criteria of eligibility check, according to Section 30.1 of the 2016 RRR, the BAC shall open the first components in public to determine each bidder's compliance with the documents required to be submitted for eligibility and for the technical requirements as prescribed in the said IRR. After opening the first envelope, the BAC shall simultaneously conduct electronic eligibility check and primary examination of the technical components of the bid. Only bids of bidders found to be legally, technically, and financially capable will be evaluated. After eligibility check will have the post qualification. And these are the legal references. For more information, you can contact us through these contact details. That is all, Madam Chair.
So, yes, we're clear with our procedures. Thank you very much, Engineer Sherman. And I guess we're done already with our activity this afternoon. So I would like to thank everyone for your participation and cooperation. To our visitors and guests, thank you for joining us this afternoon. Sir, thank you for joining us. And to our online viewers, thank you also for joining us in this video conference. Once again, a pleasant good afternoon to all.